Hi everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about LinkedIn certified courses. We all know LinkedIn as a search engine, like the job search engine, or a platform to make some good professional contacts. But we hardly know that we can also use LinkedIn to do certain skill courses and to get the free certificate as well. Yes, today in this video I'm going to talk about that. If you are a fresher, you don't have any experience, so this video is going to be a boon for you. You can do certain courses, you don't have to do any internship with certain, big companies and pay some certain amount of money. And you are going to do these courses and you add them in your resume, and that will be really add some bonus points to your resume. Or if you are a professional, you lost your job because of coronavirus, this COVID-19 situation, or maybe you are looking for a professional growth, so do consider these courses, add some skills in your knowledge and grow in your career. So let's start it. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing and press the bell icon. And if you are a return subscriber, then thank you so much for the appreciation. Keep watching and we'll keep going to add value in your life. So let's start. So this Google screen is in front of me. What I need to do, I'll type in the search bar linkedin.com. Once I type, this screen will get open in front of me because I do have a LinkedIn account, so that's why my profile get open. But if you don't have a LinkedIn account, what you need to do, just sign up this account by using your Gmail ID, as like you're using sign up on any social platform like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So just sign up and make your account and start your process. Now when you make a ID, this type of screen or home screen will get open in front of you. Now what you need to do, you need to click here. Can you see this 9 dots? So just click here and you can see this learning. Yes, I never aware about this feature before because I am using, I think, LinkedIn from last 2-3 years. I never found that there is a learning platform also available on LinkedIn. So just click here. Now when we click, it's get open the screen, the next tab. Now can you see this is the learning platform of LinkedIn. Now in this, so many courses are available, and these all are the certificate courses. Once you finish the course, you will get certificate for that particular course. So it's a boon. You can add equally valuable certificate for, as like the any other company. So just add in your resume and make it bloom. So these are the old courses. This is start my free month trial. Before, for example, I don't want to start, I want to check what all courses are available. So you check by typing here. For example, I'm a teacher, I just type here. So these are the all teacher related courses are. I need to check what is good for me. See, it's not only about teacher. This video is for everyone. Either you belong to any field, you still have courses related to every field on LinkedIn. So do try it. Check with your, for example, I'm related to IT. So I just type IT, and these are the number of courses: IT help desk for beginners, networking, IT security, service desk, foundation, introducing Illustrator, learning Scratch. So many courses are available. So just click start by sitting at home and get the certificate. Now you are asking why, LinkedIn is giving them free. LinkedIn is not giving them free. LinkedIn is only giving this free 1 month trial. See, now it's up to you. In that free 1 month trial, you can do as many, I think 1 month is just enough for any certificate course, because in that period you can do maybe 6 or 7 at least certificate course. So You can just start the free month trial, complete it and cancel it. Yes, it's very easy to enroll as well as cancel when you finish your courses. And those certificates which you get after a cancellation, during this period whatever you do, you get the certificate. And once you cancel the subscription, it's fine, those certificates are valid for lifetime. Those are your achievement, so you can keep them and use them in your resume or in your job search. Now I'll tell you how. What you need to do, you need to click on this 1 month trial. Now can you see here, monthly 1 month free trial, but this is the fees. Annually you have this much fees. So I'll try for free. Now I need to enter, and now this is it. Now once you open this, you need to fill the card details. See, they are not going to charge you anything for the 1 month, and it's easy to cancel. If you will cancel the subscription before the renewal, it's fine. They are not going to charge you a single penny. So I'll show you how to cancel as well. So I'll just enter my card details and I'll log in. Now, as I entered the details, my start your free trial is ready. So I'll start with that. See, now I open this website and they are showing, so I can start learning. Now this is a screen which get open in front of you when you pay. Now this is the screen which you are able to see here is my paid subscription. I didn't pay anything, but this is my subscription started. So what I will do, I'll just, as I'm a teacher, I'll try to open one course. For example, nowadays online teaching is online teaching tools, something like that. Let's see what is available. Oh, amazing, it's blending learning, teaching with technology. Okay, I'll open anyone, like for example blending learning. Okay, now this course is open in front of me. Can you see that there are videos? These three are the videos, 46 second, 45 second, and then this, and these are another video in the first step. Then the second step, blending with Google Apps, using Google Slide, data sharing. It's amazing. And once you reach here at the end, you will get certificate at the same time. Once you finish and submit, you will get certificate. You can download the certificate and you can keep it. So one certificate I will show you here on the screen for you, which I'm going to do it now. I'll do this course for blending learning and I will show you all the certificate here. You download it, keep it, and then you cancel it. So in the last step I will show you, after doing all these courses in that 1 month, see these courses are hardly 7 or 8 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes or 2-hour courses. So you do each courses one courses every day, still you are able to finish 30 courses in a month. Isn't more than enough? Why we need to continue with the subscription? So just complete whatever courses you are looking for, and then at the end we will unsubscribe. We will complete the cancel the subscription. Now I'll show you that step as well. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to your home screen. Just click here home, and we are here. Now can you see here at the left corner, see all premium features? Now just click on this feature. When you click here, just go here down at the right side. This is manage premium account. I click here. Now can you see here, this is the option cancel subscription. Yes, it's as easy as you take the subscription. Same, it's easy. There's no hidden charges, nothing, no strategies involved. So just cancel subscription here. A new tab will get open which is showing here what all you are going to lose, and you just click here, cancel and lose the credits. So that's it. You just cancel and lose the credit. You will be out of this subscription, and you don't have to pay anything for that. Just do give it a try. You are sitting at home. This is an amazing opportunity. Use the LinkedIn and earn a wonderful certificate course, which might be you'll get when you do an internship with any country. This is an amazing opportunity, I'm saying. Just go and do this course. Do it as soon as possible. Do as much as you can. Add your skills. Believe me, now this online teaching application, online skills are there, which everybody, every company need that their employer must have done. You can share it with your colleagues, and all of your full groups will do it together. So do it as it comfortable for you. So thank you so much for watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up if this video is going to be useful for you. On that note, stay healthy, stay happy, grow in your career. Thank you. Bye bye.